Happy Monday. Thank you for coming back into school and getting ready for another brilliant week. For the ones that are at home today, please know that we are praying for you and we miss you and we hope that you come back shortly. But for everyone else in house and the ones that can get this video message, I hope that you understand that we do appreciate what you do inside the building. Some of you really are juggling a lot of things. You're juggling not only virtual and face-to-face education that you're doing now, instruction, you're also in different programs, and you're finishing up different degrees, and you're heroes, you're rock stars every day for all that you do. That's on top of being parents and moms and dads and even siblings. And I just want to say thank you for all the effort that you put forth in doing those. Now, we all know once we start a degree that there are all these requirements that come along with it. And so sometimes we just have to help each other out to get through it. So Ms. Peterson is wrapping up her specialist degree that will be finished in May. But for her to do that, she needs to finalize a research project. Now, this is where we step in because she needs our help. I will attach a form to this email, and it is a survey. Guys, it is not, and there's not any written response to it. Everything is agree, strongly disagree, that kind of thing, just clicking a button. Her message said that it was 25 minutes, but I took the survey and it didn't take me that long. So please take the time today to really go in there and just give your opinion. We live in a county that we have the privilege of having a one-on-one ratio with technology to students. So that does give us quite a bit of voice that we can share on what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses. And I'm not asking you to fudge anything. I'm saying just be honest. It is anonymous. No one will know whose response was whose. And so, if you want to be able to go in and just say, this is what I think that we're strong at, this is what I think that we need to work on, just by clicking agree and disagree, then that should, help help everyone to be able to get on the same page, and for her to have validity in this test, then, or her results, she will need at least 75 or 85% of the school to participate. So she did give us a deadline until Thursday, but if you get a chance today, go ahead and knock it out for us so she can get those results in. And if there is anything that you need in the future that we can help you out in the same way, please let us know. We're all about bettering each other. And so I hope that this helps not only Ms. Peterson, but it gives everyone a little bit of an idea of how we can help each other out in the future. So I will look forward to hearing from you later. Thank you.